Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you my shrimp fried rice recipe. If it's your first time here, my name is Jayria. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like on this video, turn your post notifications on, and let's start this video. So yes guys, so these are all the ingredients that I will be using to prepare my shrimp fried rice. So I have a bowl of leftover rice from yesterday. My shrimp, they are already cleaned and deveined. I'm using 2 eggs. I have some grated ginger and garlic, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and I do have a mixture of onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and a small amount of all-purpose seasoning. So first of all, I'm seasoning my shrimps. Moving on to my eggs. Now I'm whisking my eggs, and this is the first thing that I'm going to prepare. So in my frying pot, I'm going to add roughly about a tablespoon of olive oil. So as you can see, I'm now frying my egg. I'm going to scramble my eggs, then remove them and set aside. So once my egg is done frying, I go back in with a small amount of olive oil to prepare my shrimps. So I'm frying my shrimps on medium heat for 4 minutes, 2 minutes on each side. So now that my shrimps are looking all pink, crunchy and nice, I'm taking them from the pot. So now I'm going in with my veggies. I'm going to stir fry them on low heat. So now I'm going in with some purple onions, and I'm going to stir fry until they are translucent. So now I'm going in with my garlic and ginger, and this is going to add a nice flavor to my veggies. So now it's time to go in with my shrimps. So now I'm going in with my eggs. So now it's time to add the rice, and I'm going to combine everything. Next, I'm going in with my soy sauce, and this is just roughly about a tablespoon of soy sauce. So now it's time to top it off with my scallions. So guys, this is my secret ingredient, my jerk sauce. It's not a must, but I love the flavor that it adds to my fried rice. So I normally add a small amount of jerk sauce to my fried rice. And also I just add a small amount of all-purpose seasoning just to give it some more flavor. So this is it, guys. This is how I prepare my shrimp fried rice. Very simple, very easy. And also, if there's any other ingredients or seasonings that I could add to my fried rice, you can just comment and let me know. Add them in the comment section, and I will sure try them out on my next fried rice recipe. So thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, be sure to subscribe, turn your post notifications on, leave a like on this video, comment, share, and I will see you all on my next video. So now it's time for me to dig in. Then I'm gonna drink some pink lemonade. So bye y'all.